Hey guys, we're vlogging right now.
So, we're currently going up to RAC Arena.
We're currently going to the Lumineers 2026.
It's going to be a mini vlog, it's going to be like a vintage vlog.
My question is, why are people walking away? Yeah, but vintage is the vibe of like Lumineers.
A dead wife right now.
Oh my god, that's so rude.
We're gonna make like a montage to this. We're gonna do a montage of them walking and then you guys like spinning and then like
We have to make a montage.
just wait guys.
But like warm kind of editing, like it needs to be like the other.
Currently eating
They are? Like, yeah. Money saving, but like my coffee is oh, but that's so
Hey guys! Wow, look at that! Barricading food! And then guys, we are currently having a little sit down because we're tired. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's just lacking every day.
When you put a whole traffic accepted yet?
My God. Isn't that not
the Uber here yet? Can we do a confession?
Can I do your drive by 11:51?
I just feel really sick, honestly, and I just never thought that it would come to this, but
Oh shit, get the camera!
Cockroach, you just ran off without me and I can't run! Obnoxious order from 12 to 12 steps. It's 12:50 right
So
now.
here is what you do. You get an ice
I
cream,
don't understand what I'm supposed to do.
you put it in
I'll show
here,
you. Yeah.
you break her up, like you break up.
You should have TikTok trend. 101. I'm walking home barefoot while I've got my shoes on. Because I could roll on her boots, but I don't really want. I didn't force her to do that. I didn't force her to give me her shoes. I allowed it.
Toenails are overrated.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, I'm also overrated.
Wait, what?